What's up, y'all? Welcome to Vlogtober day 14. Now, last night I went upstairs, went to bed, came downstairs this morning, and been downstairs ever since. We didn't leave the house today. It rained like crazy. Like, when it rains in New York, it rains. And it's so depressing. So, what I've decided to do, since we didn't do anything, I'm going to do a throwback on a Saturday of a trip I went on in the warm weather. Since there is no sunshine or warm weather here, I'll just reminisce and go back. So, enjoy this feature presentation. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified of all the videos that I post. And I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy. Morning. Happy Vlogmas Day. Where we at? 14. Thank you, because I don't remember. Happy Vlogmas Day 14. We are finally in Half Moon Key, or Half Moon Cay. People say it differently. But we are here at Carnival's private island. We finally made it. We're waiting for the tender boats to, waiting for the release to go to the tender boats so we can tender to the island itself, because we cannot dock on the island because the water level is low. So we have to anchor in the middle of the water and tender to the actual island itself. I'm up here with my niece and my auntie. So we are up here vlogging this morning. It's a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. It's a good breeze, nice and warm. I got my stuff ready for the beach. I left my I left the speaker in the room.
Did you know that being 20 faces in the sun is the best time?
Being what?
Having 20 faces in the sun.
I can't even stick in your mouth.
Having funny faces in the sun is the best time. Oh, yeah.
Having funny faces in the sun is the best time. So Nisi said that I'm gonna have funny faces in the sun all day today. Alright, so I'm going to hit y'all back once we get on the tender so y'all can see how we tend to the boat. I love getting on tenders. When we were in Belize, the water was so beautiful, tendering to the port. It was so beautiful. So yeah, and the water is so beautiful here. I'm gonna do as I finish this, I'm going to view the actual island on the other side of the phone, because yeah, these iPhones don't flip the camera. I can't raise money from them. But yeah, so I'm going to enjoy today here at Half Moon Cay. I know that rhymes, that was so corny. But I'm enjoying the day at Half Moon Cay. We made it. I see y'all soon. So we are officially on the tender boat. About to head to the island. We're all seated here. Everybody to the water. So I'll catch up when we're sailing away. So we are now moving. Heading towards the island. Yep, right there. This is we are moving. So, we're rocking back and forth. But I'll see you when we get to the port. Okay? Look at the boat. Met a new family member. She's gonna be a part of the company now. What's your name?
I am Stephanie Melody. Y'all check me out. I have my all herb natural product, shea butter, sugar scrub, Yanni Pearl, Johnny oil. You name it, hair products, all naturals on my SD account. To look at Stephanie Melody. That's the spirit. We just do what we do, y'all. We here enjoying the sun, and I met some new family members. Y'all subscribe.
And where you from?
I am from South Carolina, originally from Philadelphia.
Yeah, okay. See, I told y'all we raw and real on my channel, so y'all better follow and subscribe. I love her. We finally made it to Half Moon K or Key, or however you want to pronounce it.
Half Moon K.
We are here. We are walking. And
T-Mobile will touch me talking about welcome to the Bahamas.
yeah, we are here.
Mama. Oh, okay. I didn't know
She
you
would
I
come.
thought you lived there by yourself.
Okay. Mama, we made it. We finally here. Carol went to the restaurant. We made it. We made it. We here. Let's get this beach day started. And then I will show you guys when we get to the beach. So let me get used to the entrance of the port. And I'll show y'all the beach when we get here, okay? How beautiful this is.
It's gonna be cold.
Look at the focus. I am in the water. I have my pouch on, so if it's blurry, I have my water pouch for my phone, so it don't get wet. So we're out here in the Caribbean water. Look how clear it is. Look, I can see my hand. Yeah. This is where everything's gonna happen. We're at the beach. Oh, sorry. We're at the beach party and dancing. Look, and the ship is over there. Wait a minute, where's that? There's the ship. There's the ship. So I'm about to go ahead and enjoy myself, and I'll see you guys later. We're at Half Moon K. Hey, hey.
Y'all don't know about the go-go. Hey.
Sexy.
Wow.
You go over there? I'm coming.
Ow. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Bite. We bite. So, hey, this one, I'ma put this on and then the rest I'ma put in some. Hey, hey, little sweat never hurt your body. Serenity. Hello. Hi. You ready to go see some fish? She want to go see some fish. She want to see some fish.
Get your hat. Alright, you guys, we are on the tender boat leaving Half Moon Cay or Key, Bahamas, and we're tendering back to the boat now. Take showers, chill, relax, and find out what we're gonna do later on. So, guys, I'll see you on the ship. Ooh, that bridge was so good. Another animal. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. I didn't see my decorations the last time for Brandon. Surprised me. But him's so cute. It's like an aardvark. So today was a beautiful day at Half Moon Cay. We're now just chilling around the boat waiting for dinner to start. Just looking around, looking at pictures that we took and retail shops and stuff. But we're about to go find some food. And then I know there's an 80s party tonight. And oh, the Punchliner Club last night. The last comedian was hilarious. When I tell you, hilarious, it was hilarious. We went to the club after that, and it was fun. So, yeah, the 80s party is tonight. The same one thing really didn't have to dress up for 80s, after like playing 80s music and stuff, but we kind of sort of look 80s. I know Mom got her psychedelic color sweatpants on. I got this on. Brandon just got shorts and short shorts and a tank on. I mean, that's 80s enough. But yeah, I will tell you, if you're seeing this, when I start editing these vlogs, I have videos everywhere. I've been using different phones. I've been using my 2 phones, Brandon's phone. My niece did some vlogging. It's on her phone, so it's going. But I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it all in order. So, but yeah, so I'm getting ready for dinner tonight. Just gonna chill and relax. All right, you guys. I'll see you soon. Hey y'all, what's going on, family? What's up, company? So we are at the 80s Pop to the Max show. Yeah, it's a decade show, so it's gonna be a lot of 80s music, because it's an 80s night. I'm waiting for Thursday for the Motown, the black people. Tell me shut my mouth. I'm waiting for us. Okay? That's Thursday. Okay, so, look.
What you do on that day? I hope they can hear your voice.
I'm gonna turn it up. So we're about to go. I'm about to go. I've been drinking. I mean, I've been having. Listen, I got the cheers package.
We are enjoying this.
Yes, and it's only day what 2, 3.
This is third day. No, second full day.
Second full day, and more to go. So yeah, we're about to watch the show. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'll say whatever. All right, deuces.